What we have here is the Ohio Steel leaf rake system for a pull behind for a riding lawnmower for residential lots. I want to do a product review on this today. Hey, I'm Dr. Tom Warren and you're watching The Plant Doctor. Literally just got done putting this together and we're going to put it through the ringer. If I like it, I'll leave a link down in the description below so you can pick one of these up online. But I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what I do like about this. Well, I haven't pulled any leaves with it yet, but what I do like about it is originally I was gonna get, I have a Toro 4200 mower, and it's a zero-turn mower, and I was going to get the bagging system for it, and it's like $900, and it seemed rather labor intensive to put it on and take it off, and I don't always need something to bag or pull leaves with. Started doing some research and came across this. All you do is hook up the coddle pin to the back of the mower and you pull it. When you're done, you can just release the pin and you're good to go. This is a pretty thick gauge steel here for a residential product. The wheels are made of solid plastic. They're not inflatable. You don't have to worry about getting a flat tire with this. And the gears are set up so that for every one revolution of the wheel, the bristles inside will turn about 5 or 6 turns. I tried to calculate it when I was putting it together, and it was like 5 to 6 turns. So it's like a 5-to-1 gear ratio on your bristles. So the bristles are really spinning fast as you pull this along. Your basket back here is the top's a mesh, and then the bottom's made of a solid plastic material. It's really thick. I don't think that if I were to drag the bag that I'm going to rip a hole in it, especially dragging it on my grass. I have a mix of Bermuda and Zoysia. I think it's going to hold up really well. So let's hook this up to the mower and see what it does. Like I said, this is the first time that I've used it, and we'll see how good it does. So this is the results. Had to adjust the height of the sweeper just a little bit, but once I got that dialed in, it did really nice. And I'll show you where it didn't do such a great job, but I know why. Let's go take a look at that. If we go back this way, over here in this corner is in full shade, and we had a very heavy frost this morning. And you can see right here, this stuff is literally frozen to the ground. So obviously it didn't get that. But over here where the sun's on the grass, there's a couple spots that, like right here, it didn't get, but these leaves are frozen to the ground. Where it wasn't frozen, did a fantastic job. Brought it into the garage. It is cold this morning, so wanted to come in here and show you guys a few things. So one thing that I noticed, the adjuster for the height slipped on me a couple times when I was out there raking up leaves. But all I got to do is tighten this up a little bit. This knob here, it wasn't all the way into the hole, but I can adjust that right there. That's not a big deal. And one thing I would recommend, so the string that you use to open up the bag, have some way to attach it to your mower. I just happen to have this wrench right here, so I just tied the string to the wrench and put it right there. Because when I first got started, the string, it fell off on the ground and it got wrapped up in the sweeper back here. But other than that, it did a fantastic job. Guys, as always, thank you for watching The Plant Doctor. And until next time, happy gardening.